Welcome to the Distributor How-To video series. Where is my profile and what does it include? Go to the top right hand corner of Sourcing Machine, click on Dashboard and go to your profile. Your Sourcing Machine profile contains all the information about you and your company to allow suppliers to send sample requests and quote requests directly to you. It also means that you won't have to endlessly put in your contact details every time you send a quotation or an idea sheet to a client. This is also the area where you'll set your markup for the trade pricing that's displayed on Sourcing Machine. You can add your trade association membership logos to show suppliers your accreditation. Your profile is also where all your activity is stored, where your idea sheets that you've sent to your clients are stored, your quote sheets to clients, the quotes you've requested from suppliers, samples that you've requested from suppliers, Zoom meetings that you may have requested from suppliers too. Your profile even includes a list of all the orders that you've placed with suppliers through Sourcing Machine. In addition to this, your profile includes an area where you can either set up or manage your end user skin site. And coming soon is our global search tool. Thank you for watching.